Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to replace your background inside the video with a custom image and video. So this will be a fun little project I will show you inside Python, so you can actually, so we have this original video. Just see, this is actually a original video with the original person with a gray background. So now I will show you how to change this background with a custom image and a video using a Python module that I will show you, OpenCV and Mediapipe. So these are two different modules. So this is, we will manipulate this background so with a custom image. So if I show you the custom video, so we can actually change the background and apply a background video right here. As you can see, the video is playing in the background, and I will show you how to do this. You can basically apply any background video inside this video. As you can see, we can even change this background with a custom image. So you can see we have a desert image and we actually replace the background with this image. So you can take any image, for example, and apply this to this video. So now let me show you both the scripts which actually does this. I've given both the scripts in the description of the video. So first of all, we will write the script for manipulating the background of the video with a custom image. And for both these scripts, you need to install these two modules. So the very first module is OpenCV Python. So this is actually a very famous module of Python which is open source. Simply execute this command to install this. And second of all, we need to install this module which is Mediapipe, which is also very important module, so which applies these machine learning algorithms to replace the background with a custom image and video. So just install these two modules, and now just I will show you one by one. This is the first script which will change the background of the video with a custom image. So we simply import OpenCV, then we import Mediapipe, and then we import the NumPy as well, NumPy package. And then here we specify the path of the video. So our video is available in the same directory. And then here is need to specify the background image path. So this is present inside the images folder, and we are taking desert.jpg. So we can take any image, for example. Let me take any other image. Let me take this profile.jpg. So let me change this to profile.jpg. So after that, now we just need to initialize this media pipe library like this mp.solutions.selfie segmentation, and then we just need to say segmenter mp.selfie segmentation.selfie. So in this way you can initialize it, and here you just need to pass the model selection, so which is set to 1. So it contains various machine learning models, but we are using the basic model which will actually is 1. After that we just need to load the background image. So for using the background image, we read this by OpenCV. It is present inside background image path. After that, if the background image is not there, then we simply raise an exception that background image not found. But if the background image is there, then we just need to use the OpenCV. We load the video by this video capture method. After that, we simply use this video writer method like this. We load this MP4 video. After that, we get the FPS. Again, we use OpenCV. It contains this constant. After that, we specify the width of the video, which we can get easily by this. And similarly, we will be getting the height of the video. So after that, we put this into the output file. That's it. After that, for resizing the background to match video frame size, we do this again. We use OpenCV. We resize the image to match with the video like this. After that, we now apply this while loop to the full video. So here we are putting it to each frame in the video. We are reading each frame and applying this background image like this. So when the video is reached, then we break from this loop, while loop, and then we are taking each frame right here by OpenCV CV2 dots. Just remove this semicolon. Semicolon is not required. So we now need to get the segmentation marks. So this is little bit complicated script, but essentially it is removing the background and replacing it with a custom background. So here we are using this machine Mediapipe library, and then here we need to combine this output frame, and for this we use NumPy library, and then we write this. So the whole script will be given in the description like this, and then we release everything OpenCV like this. We release the resources, we close the segmentation, that's all. So if you run this now, so here we specify, I think, output video path. I think we haven't specified the output video path as well. We need to specify it. So we specified this video will get created. Let me change the name to result.mp4. So if you just run this script now, so what will happen? It will it will first of all remove the original background and then replace it with the custom image that we applied. So just wait, it will take around 15 to 20 seconds. It is little bit slow because this library's OpenCV Mediapipe actually requires so much processing to remove. So if you have a longer video, then it will take more time. So just you need to wait. So once it completes, it will give you notification that your process is complete. So just wait. So you can see in the background it is using TensorFlow. This Mediapipe library actually applies the artificial models and TensorFlow inside Python to remove the background. So once it is completed, it will show you the notification. So just wait for the process to finish. So that's why I'm not pausing the video. You can see now the process is complete, saved as result.mp4. If I try to open this now, you will see the background has successfully changed. You can see we successfully removed the background, guys, to the overall video with a custom image. And same we will do this for video as well. So let me show you the script for the video. It is little bit slightly different, but the overall logic remains the same. We first of all require all the packages, then we specify the input video background path. So here we specify which, this is our original video, this is the custom video that we will use for the background. It's a 17-second video, so you can take any video for example, and this will be the output video which will get created. After that, we initialize the Mediapipe model. This is really important, we need to initialize. Then we simply again use the OpenCV to first of all remove the original background by OpenCV library. This is all the code is same. Then we just need to detect the background type, whether it's a video or an image, like this. Then we initialize it, 3 variables to remove the frames. And there we have this if condition, that if the video contains any of the background, we need to remove it first of all. So we actually read this background video, we resize it, or if it's a video, then we capture this video in the background. So we have all these scenarios. Then again we apply this while loop, which will actually remove the background for each frame. You will see we are opening this while loop. For each frame in the video, we are setting this background video like this by OpenCV, and the code remains the same. And then lastly, we are releasing all the resources. You can see both the scripts I have given in the description of the video. So if you now execute this once again, this will actually remove the background, and the output will look something like I showed earlier. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.